Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome. We're going to work on flexibility, which is going to help us move freely and easily. So we're going to begin this session by sitting in a comfortable seated position, keeping the back straight. Palms come to rest on the thighs. If you can, bring your little finger and thumb to touch. Now close your eyes. Bringing your awareness to your breath. As you breathe in, just follow the flow of air through your nose, the back of your throat, to your chest, all the way to your abdomen. And as you breathe out, notice the air coming out of your nostril. Gently open your eyes with a few blinks. Bring your hands up towards the ceiling. Gaze up towards your fingertips. Hands come to Namaskara Mudra. Again, breath in. Reach your hands up. If you're not comfortable raising your gaze up, you can still continue looking forward. Hands to prayer and back. Now big circles. Inhale. Reach. Exhale. Inhale, take your hands back, interlace your fingers, rest it on the back of your neck. And as you breathe out, pull the navel in, drop your chin to chest, elbows in the direction of the mat. Again, inhale, create length in your spine, eyes can stay closed. Bring your gaze forward, or here if you're comfortable, look towards the ceiling. You may have to move your head slightly, back of your head if you're looking up. Again, breathe out, pull the navel in, round your back, drop your elbows towards the mat. I'm not pulling with my palms, so be aware of that. Inhale, create length. Exhale, round, collapse forward. One last one, breath in. Hands come up towards the ceiling. Turn and twist and look towards your right side. Breathe in, lengthen, breathe out. If you can, look over your right shoulder. If not, simply keep your gaze towards the right side of the room. Again, breath in, reach up, breathe out, turn to the other side. Lengthen. As you exhale, turn and look over your shoulder. Inhale, reach your hands up. Exhale, interlace your hands behind your back. Belly towards your thigh, forehead towards the mat. Once again, breath in. You're trying to collapse. As you breathe out, collapse your shoulders, your forehead towards the mat. And as you breathe in, slowly come up. Bring the soles of your feet to touch. Grab hold of your toes and start moving your thighs the direction of the mat, trying to keep your back straight. The idea here is to stretch the area where your thigh meets your torso. 5, 4, these movements are quick. 3, 2, and now press and hold it down. Inhale, create length in your spine, and as you breathe out, pull the elbows towards your waist. Lean forward. Again, breath in, breathe out. Last one. Now, when you know you can't go any further, drop your chin to chest, forehead in the direction of your toes. One more deep breath in. Completely exhale. As you inhale, roll up. Straighten your right leg in front of you. Left foot just comes to rest on your thighs, or bring your knees to stack over the other if it's possible. If not, just let it stay here. Reach your hands forward, drop your chin to chest, forehead in the direction of your knee. We're rolling forward, we're not stretching yet. You can stay here, point your toes away from you.
Point your toes towards you. You're going to feel a deep stretch there. One more away and towards you. Slowly, palms come to rest on the mat. Roll up and come. Now, drop your foot on the inside of your thigh. Try and bring your heel really close to your groin. Inhale, lot of length here in your spine. As you exhale, lean forward. Remember to keep your spine straight. Heels on the mat, toes pointing towards the ceiling. Palms come to rest on either side, facing the earth. Breathe in. As you breathe out, belly comes to rest on your thigh. And you think you can go further? Bring your forehead to come onto your knee. It doesn't matter where you are. Just remembering to listen to how your body feels. Stay there. And one. Slowly walk up, come up. Straighten both your legs in front of you. Inhale, hands come up. Exhale, reach forward. Again, gaze forward, palms on either side. Breathe in. As you breathe out, start bending your belly towards your thigh. Gaze is still forward. Maintain length in your spine. Once more. Drop down. Drop it into chest, forehead in the direction of your knee. Breathe in. And breathe out. Slowly roll up. Roll your shoulders towards your ears. Drop it down. Move your neck to either side. Take your right leg. Place it on your left thigh. From here, you're going to reach your hands up and simply fold forward. Now, depending on where you can let your ankles hang out, try and bring your knees closer. Completely dependent on how your body feels. Once you're here, point your toes away from you. You're going to get a deep stretch. Point your toes towards you. If you feel the stretch is intense, take a deep breath in. Completely exhale. Just see if that feels better. If not, ease out of the stretch slightly. You don't have to point your toes. Just keep it straight, pointing up towards the ceiling. Breathe in. And breathe out. Slowly roll up. Drop it down. Drop your shoulders. Drop your feet towards the mat. Heel comes really close to your groin. Inhale. Up. Exhale. Fold forward. Janu Sirsasana. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. Just see that you're not letting your legs flop to the side. Whenever you're ready, chin to chest, forehead in the direction of the knee. If you're not feeling ready today, just keep looking at your toes. The idea here is to flow with just what your body allows you to do. At the end of the session, you'll be able to get deeper into these poses. Slowly roll up. Widen your legs to either side. Breathe in, reach your hands up. Breathe out, forward fold. Inhale. Exhale completely. Heels engage, toes towards the ceiling. If the stretch is intense on the inside of your thigh, you can always keep your knees slightly bent. See that you're keeping your thighs open. Slowly drop your chin to chest, forehead in the direction of the mat. Get comfortable with exhaling and simultaneously seeing if the stretch gets better. And then roll up. Bring your legs together. Knees come together. Hug your knees towards your chest. Sit tall. From here, swing your legs to one side. Come on to your palms and knees, and from there, transition to your feet and your palms. You don't have to get into deep stretch yet. Just raise your right heel, bend the right knee, straighten the left. Very simple. Just alternate this in Parvatasana. Feet together, palms pressing into the mat. 2. Feel like, just moving your legs in any way that you naturally comes to your body. Please feel free to do that. Open your palms wide. Drop your knees. Come to lie down on your belly. Hands beneath your shoulders. Inhale. Slowly come all the way up. Bhujangasana. Exhale. Down. Press the top of your toes. Tighten your kneecaps. Breathe in. See that your shoulders stay nice and low. Gaze forward. Breathe out. Turn and twist and look towards your right heel. Again, inhale, forward. Exhale, go down. Breathe in. Come up. Turn and look towards your left heel. Again, forward and back. Press your toes. Open your knees wide. Send your seat back towards your feet. Breathe in. Stack your forearms, palms one over the other. Deep breath in. Completely breathe out. If you need to, keep your knees wide, big toes to touch. Once again, breath in and breath out. Now, walk your hands to the right side. Stack your forearm one over the other. Rest your forehead. Take a deep breath in. And as you breathe out, just sinking further into the mat. One, now slowly walk to the other side. Stack your left over your right. Breathe in and breathe out. One more deep breath in. Completely exhale, sinking further into the pose. Now as you breathe in, come forward. Hands stretched out, forehead comes to rest on the mat. Here you want to bend your elbows slightly, feel free to do that. Rest your forehead. Your thumb and index finger come to touch, other fingers stretched out. Take another deep breath in. As you breathe out, letting go of any tension in your body. Sinking further into the mat, allowing the ground to support you. 2 more breaths here. Take one more deep breath in, and as you breathe out, we'll chant one round of Om. Om.
Thank you so much for doing this practice with me. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you think this video was helpful, please like and share. Namaste.